66 million years ago, Earth was a thriving world dominated by the most fearsome creatures to ever walk the planet, the dinosaurs. But their reign came to a cataclysmic end when an asteroid the size of Mount Everest hurtled toward Earth at a staggering speed of up to 30 kilometers per second. This wasn't just any space rock, it was a doomsday event in the making. As it blazed through the atmosphere, the sheer speed and friction caused the air in front of it to heat up to temperatures rivaling the surface of the sun. In mere moments, the massive asteroid collided with Earth near present-day Mexico, releasing energy equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs. The impact was so powerful that it instantly vaporized rock, sent shockwaves across the globe, and triggered one of the most devastating mass extinctions in history. But contrary to popular belief, the dinosaurs didn't die instantly. What followed was a slow, agonizing apocalypse that would reshape the course of life on Earth forever. When the asteroid struck, the explosion sent an enormous cloud of debris high into the atmosphere, blocking out sunlight almost instantly. The intense heat from the impact ignited massive wildfires that engulfed forests and plains across continents. Trees exploded into flames, and anything that wasn't obliterated by the blast wave soon found itself consumed by an inferno. But fire was just the beginning. The impact also triggered a mega-tsunami, one of the largest Earth has ever seen. A monstrous wall of water over 300 feet high surged across the oceans with terrifying force. This wave wasn't like any tsunami we know today. It was 30,000 times more powerful, wiping out coastlines and drowning entire ecosystems. As the tsunami receded, it left behind a desolate, flooded wasteland filled with debris and destruction. If you thought things couldn't get worse, think again. As flaming debris rained down across the planet, it reacted with the atmosphere, creating deadly acid rain that poisoned rivers, lakes, and oceans. The once thriving marine ecosystem quickly turned toxic, killing off countless species. Meanwhile, the sky remained dark for months, possibly even years, blocking sunlight and plunging Earth into a deep freeze. This period, often compared to a nuclear winter, caused temperatures to drop drastically. Without sunlight, plants couldn't photosynthesize, and soon entire food chains collapsed. Herbivores starved first, followed by the predators who relied on them. Even the dinosaurs that had initially survived the impact found themselves facing an inescapable fate. Over time, 75% of Earth's species vanished. The mighty T-Rex, the towering Brachiosaurus, and countless other prehistoric giants took their final breaths as the world around them crumbled. Some dinosaurs, especially those far from ground zero, may have held on for a while, but their survival was only temporary. The ecosystem they depended on was gone, leaving them with no way to sustain themselves. The oceans, once teeming with life, became acidic and barren. The land was a scorched wasteland, and the air was thick with soot and toxic gases. But while the age of dinosaurs came to an end, life itself wasn't finished just yet. In the years following the extinction, Earth began a slow and painful recovery. The first signs of life emerged in the form of hardy, resilient plants, ferns, which flourished in the post-apocalyptic landscape. Small mammals, once living in the shadows of dinosaurs, now found themselves with new opportunities. Over thousands of years, these tiny creatures evolved and adapted, paving the way for an entirely new era of life on Earth. As ecosystems slowly rebuilt, Earth's biodiversity began to recover, but it would take millions of years before the planet looked anything like it once did. Fast forward 100,000 years after the asteroid impact, and Earth's surface was showing signs of revival. Forests began to regrow, oceans started healing, and small mammal species flourished in the absence of their once dominant dinosaur rulers. These creatures, no larger than modern raccoons, spread across the continents, evolving into new forms over time. With the dinosaurs out of the picture, mammals took advantage of the open ecological niches, leading to the rise of larger, more complex species. 10 million years later, the world was transformed. It was no longer the age of dinosaurs, it was the age of mammals. Giant beasts like Paraceratherium roamed the land, while massive predators such as the megalodon terrorized the oceans. Earth had reinvented itself into something entirely new. The asteroid impact serves as a grim reminder of how fragile life on Earth can be. While the dinosaurs couldn't prevent their extinction, we have the power to shape our planet's future. Today, Earth faces a